tires.
What are they for?
The Scout.
What's the Scout?
It's an SUV.
Amen.
What'd you say? What'd you say? Hey, look, I found a nut. Nut. We're up.
Yes, I am.
You're a poopy. Ernie, you should go. Playing soap in water. You probably heard what I said. Playing soap in water. No broken. Get her up in the
Alright, here we go. Yeah, buddy, you can start. Now look, see how this is a low lip, and up underneath, I'll show you in a minute, is the high lip. You already started this low lip. And right in here. Right now, you take your foot. Oh, and
You okay?
hold that one down. I'm gonna make it big.
Okay.
Now, you start working your way around the tire.
Those are some nice shoes. Look at them shoes. They look like the Scout.
Now, you gotta kind of,
Which is gonna be his
This
car
one
one
gotta stay down
day.
off that lip while this one pulls over. Like, it needs to be pushed down some. Right there. This tire's so warped and deformed, it's hard to get off.
Yeah.
Probably gonna be about the hardest one you'll ever mess with right here.
Yeah, because it's been sitting there for a decade.
They've been on there longer than that.
At least
I
a,
put them on in 08. Yeah, what's your rate?
probably at least a decade and 2 years.
That'd be about 16 would be 08.
So it's been sitting there for a decade and 6 years. Almost half a decade.
So they're
What?
getting a little bit every time.
That's how you do it.
Like a rat eating cheese, Ben.
Yeah, rat and cheese. Although they, Although we don't have any rats that eat cheese that we know of.
Except for you.
What do you mean? What do you mean by that?
And you're a rat.
What, the Sigma? That was Skibbity.
Now see, it gets easier once you get around that halfway point.
It gets easier.
Man, we need to put that somewhere. Are you making everybody sick?
Probably.
Waving it around. Prop up somewhere. We'll do some more lessons on these tires as we go.
It's already been 2 minutes on this thing.
This is the first
Fine, keep the video rolling.
one.
Sorry if I'm moving around too much. I just can barely keep my balance.
Ben's the honorary cameraman.
Now,
Yes, barely. I have no experience, but I can still do it.
Now, this one,
We almost got it out. Yeah.
what you gotta do is
What?
put this,
Other one. And this
this,
went back in and I was
get on this side.
nice.
Far into there. Get a
Look
good
at them
ride on
camouflage shoes. Can you see them shoes? I don't think you can see them shoes no more. Never mind.
it. Now, hand me that little sledgehammer.
The little one?
Yeah, the little one. The one that I brought out on accident. And then y'all found this one.
Just start taking you some little bumps right there.
3 minutes into the video. If you're still watching, thank you. Holy crap, beating at the tire here.
Ben, it's definitely going to be more than 3 minutes into the video.
Alright.
3 minutes into the clip.
Nice.
Going.
Luckily.
Hold up a shirt.
If you made it this far, please like the video.
Whew, that's a mess. What you want to really hit is the tire, not the rim.
Yeah.
But
You don't want to bend the rim.
do the best you can do. On newer tires, you can just kind of do like this and they'll pop out. And this one here is grown to the rim.
Yeah.
That's what
It
it gets.
became the rim. Ernie, take that big sledge and start hitting. Get over on this side.
Big boy
Start
time.
bumping it right there. Don't hit your leg and don't swing hard. Control the swings. Closer to the rim. Like right there. That was a good hit.
Holy flu! I just cut my knee into two. I don't know who.
Find it.
Keep bumping until it moves. You can use that small one if you want to. There you go.
Big boy time.
No. No. Give me that one.
Adventure time. That's a small boy. Small boy time. Sorry.
And cut.
Whoa. Okay, I think I can stop the video now.
Ben, keep it rolling.
Bro, it's already 5 minutes
That
in.
doesn't matter.
My feet hurts. And my hands. Can we please switch for a second?
Keep it rolling.
Holy balloons.
Ben, why are you so zoomed in?
Because I just want to get a good view because it's kind of far away. You can't really see it.
Doesn't need. You couldn't
Ernie,
move.
come hold this.
Wait, no, don't get on it.
No, I'll hold it.
No, Ben, Ernie,
Ben.
you gotta hold it.
Ben, stand here and hold it.
You want to just put your
Straight.
knee right here,
Don't
Ernie,
zoom
and
in.
put a little
Just
bit
hold
of
it.
pressure downward.
Straight like that.
Put your hand in the way, buddy.
What am I holding?
Just like I am. Put the other knee, I think. There you go. Just a little bit of pressure. You know. You alright?
Yeah.
Let's go. Oh, you're
The stick is just right through the rim.
Pull back a little bit.
Never mind.
Lean back a little more.
Almost got it off. Just need some more plain soap and water. Plain soap and water.
Ben, you're holding it sideways. Look at that video.
Plain soap and water. Chicken McGriddle.
Didn't fall out.
Good.
Film it, Ben.
I'm filming it. Jesus Christ.
Don't
One
zoom
more
in.
hit. One more hit.
Yeah!
And that's one tire.
Now look, you just keep knocking it around the rim till it drops on. See it going? Yeah. I'm gonna hit the valve then. Or else you have to take it back off. This ain't a good song to be doing this to. Someone's gonna get hurt for the time you're through. Now, a little more soap. Now look, you could go down there to the tire shop, and they probably do this for $6 or $8. But you'll appreciate it more if you do it yourself. They got these real nice hydraulic machines that just roll this right on there.
You should get close. Amen.
Here we go. Let's see. I'm where I'm supposed to be. It's just hard on there. This thing has been hard, the whole thing. Alright. Not normally this hard though. No. It's usually way easier. We're going to be creative here. Try to get that up under there. Right on. Why I think it's difficult. Use that thing just pop right on there. It's dry over here. Yeah, it's a little dry. Yeah, maybe we take it down to the tire shop maybe.
Yeah, maybe for the other first.
When we get in new tires, we will. The new tires are in. I don't want to scuff your new rims up, doesn't it?
These are fine.
Golly. I can't let it whip me. Everybody's watching the film.
Lucas.
That's my jacket.
Got it. I wasn't worried a bit. Now, wait this side. My dad taught me how to do this. And he always changed his own tires because when he was a kid, they had a gas station in Waynesville. And he changed tires. He would fill up gas and service them and
I have a little backstory about that.
check their oil. And he would change tires by hand with these bars like this. So he always did them himself. So I was thinking like, I thought it was really expensive to have this done. And then one day I was like, man, I'm just taking it to the tire shop. And that dude charged me like $12 to change a big old tire. And I was like, you gotta be kidding me. But Daddy's like, I ain't paying him to do that, I can do it myself. So, here we are. But it's good to know, I mean, well, the tire shop is closed. Like, it's Sunday. They're closed. You couldn't even do it today. Haven't been on Wednesday.
Yeah,
I
it's
always
not
do my tires changed on Wednesday.
Yeah, it's not.
Ben, I'm not getting into a religious debate with you.
Yeah, it's not.
You haven't read it. You read the text and I will listen.
Keep working around it. See, you gotta keep it down below that lip. It won't
Yeah.
do it, it's stuck there. Tear that tire, but this old tire was bad anyway.
Better than one that was on.
Down more.
I think it was that.
How that tire was still over there?
Hang across.
This old tire was dry right anyway. That's just so we can roll around in the shop, y'all. Don't get all excited about I just tore the tire up. Yes, I did, but just to roll around in the shop. Because our tires on there now will not hold there. That was horrible. There we go. Now, I get out and lay back down the right way. It might hold there for there we go. Yeah, don't freak out because that's just a temporary tire.
Yeah, it's not official.
So we can roll it in the shop and drive it down the dirt road and test it out.
And have a fun with it.
Spin a wheel, maybe.
Maybe.
No.
And do donuts in the runway.
I remember that.
Valve spin back in. And hopefully they're up. Maybe.
Then we can do another runway.
Now see how easy that was to change that tire? Why would you go pay somebody $12? Well, you could just fight it and struggle yourself.
Tear up the tire.
Yeah, tear the tire out pieces. I would not do a nice set of tires like that.
Okay, time roll.
No, it's not.
Air it up now.
Yep. Better do it.